Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to display mirror or screen mirror your iPhone on over to your Fire TV. So this is actually easy to do. Let's go back to the home screen, then go over to Find and go to Search, and then type in Air. And it should populate on the bottom. We want to go to AirPlay or AirScreen, one of these. So let's just type this in. And then go to one of these two applications, AirPlay or AirScreen. So I'm going to choose AirPlay just to launch this and try it out. But you could go with the other one. They both should work. These don't cost any money or anything like that. Once you have this screen open and you're connected to the same wireless network. So let's do that now on our iPhone. Scrolling down from the top right. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. So just select Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi. This is very important. If you're not connected to the same Wi-Fi, this simply won't work. Then go back to the button with the two little boxes on it. Then your Fire TV should show up under here. So let's just do Lord's Best TV. That's what I call mine for some reason. And then here's my controls. And it's working on my TV now. So very easy to do. Once you get that receiver, AirPlay, it should work very easily. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.